Tacos. Just the word sparks joy, doesn't it? They're little pockets of pure deliciousness, bursting with flavor. From Mexico to across the globe, tacos are loved by everyone. The best part? They're so easy to make at home. Imagine sinking your teeth into a warm, soft tortilla. Inside, a fiesta of flavors awaits. Spicy meat, fresh salsa, creamy guacamole. Each bite is a celebration. Making tacos is an adventure. You get to choose your favorite fillings and toppings. It's all about having fun and getting creative in the kitchen. Ready to get started? Let's make some taco magic. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. This is the foundation of any great taco experience. Don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. Just the basics will do. We're going for simple and tasty. Quality ingredients make all the difference. For the filling, we need some protein. This is what makes your taco hearty and satisfying. Ground beef is always a winner. It's flavorful and easy to cook. You can also use chicken, pork, or even go vegetarian with beans or lentils. The choice is yours. Next up, the veggies. They add freshness and crunch. A taco isn't complete without them. Grab some lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. These are classic taco veggies. Feel free to use your favorites. Peppers, radishes, or even corn can add a unique twist. Now for the toppings. This is where things get exciting. Toppings add flavor and texture. Salsa, guacamole, sour cream, cheese. The possibilities are endless. Mix and match to your heart's content. Don't forget the tortillas. They're the heart of the taco. Without them, it's just a salad. You can find them at most supermarkets, fresh or packaged. Both work great. Corn or flour tortillas, you decide. Each brings its own unique flavor and texture. See? Simple ingredients for an amazing meal. Now let's get cooking and enjoy the process. Let's bring those flavors to life. Start by heating some oil in a pan. Add your chopped onions and cook until they're soft and smell amazing. Now, add your chosen protein. Brown the meat until it's cooked through. Don't forget to season it well with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. This is where you can get creative. Add a pinch of chili powder for a kick, or some cumin and paprika for a smoky flavor. Let your taste buds guide you. Once the meat is cooked, drain any excess grease. This will keep our tacos from being soggy. Now, your filling is ready to go. Section 4. The art of the perfect tortilla. Crafting the perfect tortilla is an essential skill for any taco enthusiast. Time to warm up those tortillas. This step is crucial to ensure your tortillas are at their best. This is key for a delicious taco. Warm tortillas enhance the flavor and texture of your taco fillings. A cold tortilla will crack and break, ruining your taco experience. We want them soft and pliable. A warm tortilla is flexible and can hold all your delicious ingredients without falling apart. You can warm tortillas on a griddle, in a pan, or even on an open flame for a more authentic touch. Or even in the microwave. The microwave is a quick and convenient option. Just make sure to heat them for a few seconds on each side. This ensures even warming and prevents them from becoming too dry. Here's a tip. If you're using a griddle, try lightly toasting the tortillas. This will give them a lovely smoky flavor and enhance their overall taste. This will give them a lovely smoky flavor and a bit of a crisp texture. The slight char adds a delightful crunch. Once your tortillas are warm, stack them up to keep them ready for serving. Keep them covered with a clean towel. This simple step helps maintain their warmth and softness. This will keep them soft and prevent them from drying out. Enjoy your perfectly warmed tortillas with your favorite taco fillings. Section 5. Assembling your taco masterpiece. This is where the magic happens, where you get to bring all those delicious ingredients together into one perfect bite. Now for the fun part. This is where your creativity can really shine. Grab a warm tortilla and get ready to build your dream taco. The tortilla is your canvas and the possibilities are endless. Start by adding a generous spoonful of your flavorful filling. This could be seasoned beef, chicken, or even a hearty vegetarian option. Next, it's time for the veggies. Fresh vegetables add a wonderful crunch and burst of flavor. Pile on some fresh lettuce, diced tomatoes, and chopped onions. These classic toppings are a must for any taco. Don't forget a sprinkle of cilantro for that extra zing. Cilantro adds a fresh, citrusy note that elevates the whole taco. Now let's talk toppings. This is where you can personalize your taco. The toppings are what make each taco unique. Drizzle on some salsa for a fiery kick. Whether you like it mild or hot, salsa adds a burst of flavor. Add a dollop of sour cream for a cool and creamy contrast. It balances out the heat from the salsa perfectly. Feeling cheesy? Sprinkle on some shredded cheese? Craving some avocado goodness? Guacamole it is. The creamy texture of guacamole is a fantastic addition. Remember, there are no rules when it comes to taco toppings. Get creative and make it your own. Enjoy every bite of your taco masterpiece. Section 6. Buen provecho. Savoring your taco creation. Look at that! You've just created a plate of delicious homemade tacos. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Those vibrant colors, the tempting aroma. You deserve a taste. Pick up a taco and take a bite. Feel that explosion of flavors in your mouth. The soft tortilla, the savory filling, the fresh toppings. It's pure taco heaven. Tacos are best enjoyed with friends and family. Gather your loved ones, put on some music, and let the taco fiesta begin. Remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is love. Enjoy!